Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and reviewing of two colognes, Moschino Toyboy and Montblanc Explorer. Let's get started with the unboxing here. By the way, been buying more colognes from fragrancenet.com since they got more price ranges for different sizes. As I'm in Vancouver and this is shipped all the way from US, took around 3 freaking weeks to get to me. Okay, let's take out the first one here. What do we have here? It's Montblanc Explorer and of course Moschino Toyboy. Okay, now we have both of them out. Let's start with Moschino Toyboy. Let's take out this wrapping. Open the top. Whoa! That's one sexy teddy bear. Okay, jokes aside, let's do the review. I did a smell test on Moschino. It smelled sweeter and almost like pears and berries. It's considered to be a woody, spicy cologne. Top notes are pink pepper, pear, Indonesian nutmeg, alimi, and bergamot. Middle notes are rose, clove, magnolia, and flax. Base notes are cashmeran, Haitian vetiver, silkolide, sandalwood, and amber. Overall, I would give this a 8/10. It's very unique and most probably best to wear for night outs with friends. But I've heard that girls really love the sweet smell of this. So that's it for Moschino. Moving on, let's unbox Montblanc Explorer. Okay, let's open this. This is the 1-ounce size. I heard people recommend this as an alternate to Creed Aventus if you are on budget. It is definitely a woody, aromatic fragrance. Top notes are bergamot, pink pepper, and clary sage. Middle notes are Haitian vetiver and leather. Base notes are ambroxan, akigala wood, Indonesian patchouli leaf, and cacao pod. This is also an everyday use cologne. So yeah, there you go, guys. Moschino Toyboy and Montblanc Explorer unboxed and reviewed. So if you like these unboxing video or videos on men's lifestyle essential, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for my content. Comment down below your thoughts on this review. Until next time, guys, peace out.